1968 Chevrolet K30, just absolutely stunning truck. Where to start on this one? Beautiful paint, nice bright work. You can see the lift to it. It's powered by a 396. Sounds incredibly healthy. If you take a look at the still pictures, the other thing I want to tell you about this is take a look at the still pictures and check out the underside of this. It looks like powder coated frame. There cannot be many miles on this since the build. It's a good customer of ours, has brought it in to have it sold for him. He's going another direction, getting a sports car. So we're selling a couple out of his collection, and this was one of his pride and joys. And you take a look at it, you can see it's going to be somebody's new pride and joy. Again, 396 underneath the hood. Does have power steering. Has four-wheel disc brakes with Hydro Boost. Also, the 396 is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Just a beautiful orange color. If you see some of the pictures, it's tough in the lighting. Some of those pictures are going to make this truck look red. It is truly orange in color. Rubber's good on it. Take a look in the bed here. Spray in bed liner. Just all the way around in this truck. It's very nice shape, no matter what part of it you're looking at. Feel free to give us a call, too. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Like to inquire about this, know more about it. Maybe like to inquire about transportation to where you're located at. See how straight it is, too, for how long this truck is. I'm going to go ahead and pop the door open so you can check out the interior, which is just as nice as the outside of it. Door cards, or I should say doors, have all been painted. Vinyl interior, like new shape. Still retains stock dash. Has had a little modern aftermarket radio put in there, but other than that, pretty much stock dash. A little different steering wheel. Carpeting, everything in good shape. This here is just dust from from some of us getting in and out of it. I'm going to pause this video here in a second, and I'll end up popping the hood so you can see underneath that, and we'll fire this thing up so you can hear it run also. It's the best part of it. See how nicely that door closes. Again, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Give that website one more time before we fire it up here too. Website would be uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, got the hood popped here. Give you a quick look at it before we fire it up because it's got a little rumble to it, so it'll be a little easier to hear me. But there's the 396. You can see how nicely the engine bay is finished off. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run it.
Chevrolet K30. Very, very nice restoration to it. Give us a call. 507-386-1726.